life, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today. Today I'm coming at you with my February favourites, and it is unreal that it's nearly March. I can't get over it. Crazy. And because it's nearly March, it means it's February favourites time, and I have been loving doing my favourites videos again. They're very old now, like I feel like not a lot of people do monthly favourites anymore, but I'm still bringing it on, I'm still doing it. Let me know if you like these videos, let me know if you want me to continue to do them, or let me know if you want me to stop. Just let me know in the comments. And yeah, anyway, I'm going to jump right in and tell you what I've been absolutely obsessed with in the month of February. So I hope you guys enjoy. So my super duper random favourite of the month has been this bad boy, and you're probably looking at it like, what the hell is that? Now this is a portable blender. Yeah, I know. I took smoothies to work for about 2 weeks at the beginning of February, and my mum saw this on Instagram and she was like, I just got us one because I thought it was cool. You charge it and you can blend your smoothie 12 times in one charge, and you just press this button and it just blends like that, and you can make yourself a smoothie. And then you haven't even got to take it off to drink. You literally unscrew the lid, drink the smoothie, and Bob's your uncle, and it's done. And it's just so convenient because I can literally chuck some fruit and some almond milk in here and be on my way, and then blend it on the way to work instead of waking everyone up in my house. So yeah, really, really love this. Don't know how much it was, but I got it from Instagram / from my mum. So really, really big fan of this, and it comes with a charger. So you're all good. But yeah, really love that. 10 out of 10. If you like smoothies, it's a really cool invention, I'm not gonna lie. Obviously, if you watch my videos on the regular, you will know I went to Disneyland Paris a few weeks ago, and I had the most incredible time ever. Vlogs are coming so soon. I've decided to kind of spread them out a bit, so they're coming next month, which is very exciting, along with the haul and whatnot. But obviously my favourite was Disneyland. I love Disneyland so much. This trip, me and Holly kind of prepared outfits, and it makes it so much more fun, and I just had the best time. We went for 4 days, and yeah, it was unreal. It's definitely a big favourite of mine was Disneyland, and I love it so much. So absolute favourite of mine. And Holly, I miss you already, so if you could just like come and live with me, that'd be great. Thanks, bye. So next, moving on to a favourite which you can see in this video, and that is the lip combo that I'm wearing today, and I've been absolutely obsessed with this. This is the NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick in the shade 04. I'm not really sure if it has a name, to be fair. It just says 04, and I've topped it off with obviously my Barry M lip gloss in the shade Vibe, which I love. So basically I put this on top, and this is what it creates. I love it so much. Honestly, these lip glosses from Barry M are unreal, like unreal. They're so good. They smell like toffee but not, and this one, it just, oh, it's just so nice. It's not sticky at all. It's like balmy, if you know what I mean. It's so lovely, and I've put this on everything. Literally every single lip gloss, lipstick I wear, you can put this on top. I have got a pinkier one as well, which goes better on like pinkier lips, but honestly, this combo, just obsessed. Love it. So yeah, and I believe this was maybe like £7, and this was maybe like £5, something like that. So not bad for those two. So next, moving on to a few facial care bits and pieces. I have been obsessed with my Lush Cherry lip scrub this month. I bought this a few weeks ago, and it is unreal. Like, it's so nice. Oh, I'm just gonna have to eat some, I'm not gonna lie. I know that might be gross, but the cherry one is amazing. I think it's probably my favourite so far. I think the mint juleps is a classic, and I will always be a classic, and it will always be a big favourite of mine, but the cherry one it just is amazing. So if you haven't tried this one, please do. I think they're about £6 now, which they used to be £5, but they're now £6, and yeah, obsessed with it. Love this one. So my skincare favourite of the month has been the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to Clear Pores. Now this cost me £18, and bearing in mind the retail price is £24, so it is very expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but I do like charcoal face masks. I don't like the ones you peel off because it genuinely makes me cry. I hate it, it hurts so much, but this one's a lot nicer on the skin. I just wash it off with a damp cloth, or even when I'm in the shower I just like go up my face. But this one's really, really nice. It smells really good too, and I can't think of what it smells like, but it smells like something I've smelt before, but it smells amazing and I love this. So yeah, been absolutely adoring this recently. My Lush favourite of the month, apart from the lip scrub, has been my Twilight Shower Jelly. Now this shower jelly just smells unbelievable. Like, it's so good. It's Twilight, obviously, so it smells like Twilight, obviously. But it's such a beautiful lavender smell. It's so, so nice. One of my all-time favourite scents is Twilight, and I love how this looks. Like, it's beautiful. So I've been reaching for this a lot recently. I really don't want to cut it because it will ruin it, but it is quite hard to use when it's in a big blob, so I might have to chop it into some little pieces. But yeah, absolutely overly joyed with this. It's really, really good, and I can't remember how much this was when I bought it. It might have been £9, £8, £7, something like that, £6 maybe. I can't remember, but it's so good and I love this. So now moving on to my makeup favourites. Obviously I touched on the lip products before, but I also have a few others. So my foundation favourite of the month has been a product which I've used and mentioned many a time, and that is my Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Ultra Definition Liquid Makeup Foundation. Yep. Mine is in the shade 1.0, which is this shade. I'm not going to lie, I've got fake tan on at the Mo, so my face doesn't match at all. However, I love this anyway, and I just bronze my face a lot so it matches, and also I do need to get it in a darker shade so that when I do tan it does match. But yeah, really obsessed with this. Such a light coverage, so natural, so glowy, so lightweight, and I love that. I don't like heavy foundations, I don't like it cakey. I like something I can literally just put on my hand, dab it on a sponge and be on my way, and that is one of these. It's not cheap, it was about £20 or something, but it is worth it in my opinion. You get a lot of product. I think you get how much product is in here? 30ml, so like, that's a reasonable amount, and yeah, it just seems to be lasting me absolutely forever, so really would recommend this one. And finally, I have two eyeshadow palette favourites. The first one has been my Kat Von D Shade and Light eye palette in the shade Rust. Now, I bought this 2 years ago, something like that, and honestly, it's so nice, it's so soft. The eyeshadows are just like silky, like I can't even describe how soft that is. Like, it's unbelievably soft, it's so nice, and the colours are really, really wearable. I can dip into this one and this one, or this one and this one, or, you know, mix them all together, and it's just such a lovely go-to on the go palette, and I am absolutely obsessed with it, and it fits in my handbag, so really handy. And last but not least has been my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Now this palette I've mentioned in many a favourite and many a video because I'm obsessed with it still. I absolutely love it. I am wearing it today a few different shades. I've kind of mixed it up. I've got a little bit of this one, don't know what it's called, Riff, and a little bit of Good As Gone, and then I've got a little bit of Breakaway, a little bit of Punk. I just kind of go for it and mix them all together and just see what happens. I did accidentally like drop something into Drift though, and a big chunk kind of fell out, but that's fine. Just a little bit heartbroken about it. But yeah, this is the Born to Run palette. It's stunning. I don't know whether you can get this anymore. I hope so, but I'm not too sure. So yeah, really big favourite of mine. Absolutely been loving that this month, and it's just really nice. Like, it's magnetised. It's just very lovely. It's a lovely palette. Would recommend. So those are all of my February favourites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that my favourites videos aren't overly long, but I just want to share with you what I've been loving and just have a little chat really. It's quite nice just to have a chilled video where I can just talk about all the things I've been loving. So yeah, do let me know down below what you've been loving this month, and yeah, I will see you very, very soon. Bye guys.